Hi everyone! Today we learn about factorization.
The multiplied terms in algebraic expressions are the factors of a product of the algebraic expressions. For example, A and B plus C are the factors of the expression AB plus AC. Factorization is a process to express an algebraic expression to the product of its factors. For example, expanding x plus 1 and x plus 2 will give us x squared plus 3x plus 2. If written inversely, x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals to x plus 1 and x plus 2, where x plus 1 and x plus 2 are the factors of the expression x squared plus 3x plus 2. We can factorize an algebraic expression by using common factor method, cross multiplication method, or algebra tiles method. For example, we can factorize the expression 10pq plus 15p squared minus 35p using the common factor method, such as dividing each term in the algebraic expression by a common factor consecutively, such as 5 and p. Therefore, the expression 10pq plus 15p squared minus 35p is equals to 5p bracket 2q plus 3p minus 7. Using the cross multiplication method, we can factorize the expression x squared minus 11x plus 18 as Therefore, the expression x squared minus 11x plus 18 is equals to x minus 2 and x minus 9. Finally, using the algebra tiles method, we can factorize the expression x squared plus 6x plus 8 by representing them in algebra tiles. For example, we need to arrange all the tiles to form a rectangle. We start with the big square, the x square, then by the small squares, 1, and lastly, the rectangles, x. Once arranged, we need to determine the length and the width of the formed rectangle, which is x plus 4 and x plus 2. To sum up, the factorization of the expression x squared plus 6x plus 8 can be written as the product of its factors.